Hi guys, it's Fiona from Currys, and today I'm going to show you the top 3 features of the Neff oven. It gets you closer to your food, it makes sure everything is cooked evenly, and it tells you the important stuff. We're going to head to the lab now and have a look at things in a bit more detail. The last thing you want to do when checking if your food is cooked is take it away from the heat, especially if it needs some more time. This Neff oven helps to solve that. The door slides and hides underneath the oven so that you can easily taste test the food, check the temperature of the food, or add extra to it. So we've had this chicken cooking in here for a while, so we're going to check whether it's done, and we're going to add some extra potatoes as well. As you can see, I can get much closer to the food, which is super important for those important temperature checks and final touches. It makes sure that everything is cooked evenly with no annoying cold spots, no matter where on the shelf it sits. It has a special technology which uses high-speed airflow to distribute the heat evenly across the oven, meaning that you can put multiple trays across all shelves and they all receive an even and thorough cook. There's also no need to run all the way back to the oven to check on the timer or on the temperature. You can see what's happening from afar with the LED display with large characters. If you'd like more info on this Neff oven, then visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.